Loyalty and SMS. SMS marketing is all about sending promotional campaigns via text message. It might sound a little old school, but the stats say otherwise. 75% of consumers want to receive texts with special offers. Plus, they're the perfect way to get your brand in front of shoppers because they're instant, quick, and opened within seconds. Most are read within the first 3 minutes of receiving them, and 82% of people say they open every text they receive. In this module, we'll discuss how to use your loyalty program to get customers to opt into your SMS marketing and ways to use this channel to increase program engagement. Getting customers to opt into your SMS marketing. There's no point setting up SMS marketing if you're